Today we will learn about the topic from science chapter 9. And our topic, what is our topic? You have to tell what is our today's topic. I will give you hints. According to the topic, we are very familiar to our topic, and we see everywhere, especially for farmers. It is very important because if the quality of this is good, then our crop is very good. On the basis of our topic, it can be said that this field is very fertile. So, and sometime in our childhood we play and we mesh with this. What must be that? It is found in villages. It is also found in villages, and house also made from this. Houses also made from this. So can you guess what is that? It is soil. It is soil. As you know, there are many kinds of soil and many kinds of uses of soil. But how it formed? What is the process of the soil making? There is no any kind of factory where soil can be made. It is a natural. But millions years ago, on the earth only rocks and stones are found. Within million years, soil formed from rocks and stones. When they come contact with each other and with wind, action of water, that is called weathering. When rocks and stones break down and convert into small particles due to wind, action of water, rain, then big and large stone convert into soil. But it takes millions of years. After millions of years, we can get this kind of soil. That is the soil, and after many years, we can get this kind of soil. So, as now there are many kinds of soil. You can see the first one is sandy soil. The first one is sandy soil. What is the characteristics of sandy soil? Sandy soil, we can say, like that is find at the bank of rivers. Rake, that is also called rake, balu, that is called sandy soil. Due to presence of larger particles, it has larger particles. Soil has bigger air space, so it is highly porous. The sandy soil cannot be converted as like this. Sandy soil can be converted like this because it has large particles and bigger air space. It has lots of air and its water retention is very poor. The soil of sandy soil has very poor retention of water, so it cannot be bind together. It cannot be bind together. That is the sandy soil. So sandy soil is light, well aerated and dry. Desert plants like cactus grow in such kinds of soil. Now next, clay soil. Clay soil. What is clay soil? If the proportion of the fine particles, it has fine particles, and due to presence of fine particles, soil particles packed tightly, it is a clay soil. Because its particles are packed tightly, it can stop the stream of water. So this soil can be used in fields. Farmer also use, and this soil also very fertile for the plants, but it needs space. But it needs space to drain away the water, because when plant lives in continuously water, it damages. So, due to presence of fine particle packed tightly, so air space is very small. Its water retention is very high. We can give any shape to the clay soil, and it contains humus in small amounts. Plants can grow if sufficient drainage is possible. When we use this soil into pots, so we should be a proper drainage system, so that water can give out and plants can survive. The next is loamy soil. What is loamy soil? It contains a mixture of sand. It has sand particle,